careful here. I think we're still good. I think we're fine, but we're almost in the debris cloud here. This is absolutely unreal. Share the stream, guys. Share the stream. Extreme close range. We're about to be in the outside of the tornado here. This is the most insane tornado intercept I've ever had. Shab, we might lose a side window. Here comes debris. Oh shoot. All right, we gotta watch out for the debris circulating around the tornado. All right, we gotta get to that Waverly Road. We gotta get to that Waverly Road. We're in the debris cloud. We gotta watch our windows. I just had a piece of debris hit my side window. Violent tornado here, Waverly, Nebraska. Gosh, pieces of insulation coming in. That was the most insane tornado intercept I've ever had, guys. You just watched that live.
After watching the tornado pass directly over Interstate 80, I exit off and head back after the tornado as it nears the town of Waverly, Nebraska.
Watch out for debris here. Watch the debris, watch the debris. Where's it? We gotta get a road here. There it is, right there. Don't wanna lose a tire. Don't wanna lose a tire. This is our north option. All right, here we go. We're going in for round 2, guys. We're gonna intercept this thing close range. Oh my gosh, there it is. Holy cow. Yeah, oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go, it's gonna be close range. It's gonna be close range. I see it, buddy, I see it. I'm a storm chaser. It's gonna cross right in front of us. It's gonna cross right here. It's gonna cross right in front of us. Here comes the RFD. Hey Ryan, I'm about 200 yards from this tornado northeast of Lincoln. Oh gosh, here we go. Debris, we got debris flying. Major RFD, here we come. Sheet metal, big sheet metal, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. We don't wanna blow out our side window here. We gotta be very careful. Violent tornado continues. Gotta watch the side window.